Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel, 2-Minute English. What are your daily common problems? Today, I will share some easy sentences to show your daily problems for practical situations. Let's started. I'm late. I'm late. I missed the bus. I missed the bus. I get sick. I get sick. I lost my keys. I lost my keys. My eyes are hurting. My eyes are hurting. I dropped my phone. I dropped my phone. I'm having trouble with my friends. I'm having trouble with my friends. My shoes gave me blisters. My shoes gave me blisters. I burned the food. I burned the food. I spilled coffee. I spilled coffee. I forgot to pay the bills. I forgot to pay the bills. I broke a glass. I broke a glass. I'm low on money. I'm low on money. I'm trying to lose weight. I'm trying to lose weight. My TV isn't working. My TV isn't working. I'm stuck in traffic. I'm stuck in traffic. I ran out of gas while cooking. I ran out of gas while cooking. I need to clean. I need to clean. The faucet is leaking. The faucet is leaking. I can't find my glasses. I can't find my glasses. I need to water the plants. I need to water the plants. I can't open this jar. I can't open this jar. My door lock is broken. My door lock is broken. I need a new light bulb. I need a new light bulb. I forgot to charge my laptop. I forgot to charge my laptop. My mirror is cracked. My mirror is cracked. I missed my appointment. I missed my appointment. The air conditioner is broken. The air conditioner is broken. I forgot the key. I forgot the key. I need to unclog the drain. I need to unclog the drain. I'm feeling homesick. I'm feeling homesick. I need to iron clothes. I need to iron clothes. I got mosquito bites. I got mosquito bites. I have no internet. I have no internet. I got sunburned. I got sunburned. There's a leak in the ceiling. There's a leak in the ceiling. I have a flat tire. I have a flat tire. My plant is wilting. My plant is wilting. I dropped my ice cream. I dropped my ice cream. I need gas. I need gas. I got caught in the rain. I got caught in the rain. The light bulb is out. The light bulb is out. The cat knocked over a vase. The cat knocked over a vase. The printer is out of ink. The printer is out of ink. The bread is moldy. The bread is moldy. The neighbors are loud. The neighbors are loud. The vacuum is broken. The vacuum is broken. I locked myself out. I locked myself out. I have no water. I have no water. My book is torn. My book is torn.